Welcome to the Health and Wellness channel. Today, we're diving into something that can transform both your body and mind, yoga. Whether you're new to it or already a yoga enthusiast, let's talk about the incredible advantages yoga has to offer for your overall well-being. Advantage 1: increases flexibility. Yoga increases flexibility. Whether you are sitting at a desk all day or lead an active lifestyle, yoga can help loosen tight muscles and improve your range of motion. Over time, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to stretch and move without discomfort. Advantage 2: reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga is a powerful tool for reducing stress and anxiety. The breathing exercises and mindfulness aspects of yoga help calm your mind, reduce tension, and promote relaxation. It's a fantastic way to reset after a long day or start your morning with a peaceful mindset. Advantage 3: builds strength. Yoga builds strength. While many think of yoga as just stretching, certain poses actually engage and strengthen muscles. Poses like plank, warrior, and downward dog work your core, legs, and arms, helping you build lean muscle and overall body strength. Advantage 4: improves balance and posture. Yoga improves balance and posture. As we age or spend too much time in front of screens, our posture and balance can suffer. Yoga helps you become more aware of your body, aligning your spine and strengthening muscles that keep you upright and stable. Advantage 5: enhances mental clarity. Yoga enhances mental clarity. By focusing on your breath and movements, you are training your mind to stay present. This mindfulness can help improve concentration, boost creativity, and sharpen your mental focus throughout the day. So, those are just a few of the incredible advantages of practicing yoga. Whether you are looking to improve your flexibility, reduce stress, or strengthen your body, yoga is a wonderful practice for your mind, body, and spirit. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and namaste.